Take care of this control.
Focus, Sherry, focus. Focus. Hi guys, so it's time for a haul. So in today's video, you're going to see lots of stuff. I actually bought stuff from Marks and Spencer's, which I told you guys I would share with you. I bought stuff from H&M, Forever 21, and lots of stuff I bought like Afghanistan, like jewelry from Afghanistan, and a cool, interesting backpack. Lots of stuff basically. So I'm going to start with the Marks and Spencer stuff. So I had a lot of Marks and Spencer's vouchers and I had a lot of H&M vouchers. So I didn't really pay for a lot of the stuff. Yay! Okay, first up we have this really cool blazer. So as I said in my last favorites video, I was really surprised by a lot of the clothes at Marks and Spencer's. Like I used to think of it as a mummy's brand because my mummy used to shop from there, but they had really cool stuff. So I got this really fun pink blazer, and guess what, they had matching shorts. So I wore these shorts actually the other day. Looks really cool together. So I got it as a set so I could wear it together, wear it as separates. Love the color. Up next we have these cool linen wide leg pants. So they are for 2,300 rupees. Normally I would have thought, like if I was paying for this, I don't know if I would have bought it, but because it was free with my vouchers, I love the color. Linen is something that I love to wear because it's soft, it's comfy. Also, Weber and I are going on a cruise. While you're watching this, I'm probably on the cruise, which is why a lot of my clothes like that I bought recently are keeping the cruise in mind because I would want to wear like cruisy clothes. So yeah, this is one of those outfits. Up next, we have this beautiful cheer dress. Love this. And I love the detailing on the side. So there are these buttons on the side. This now I bought keeping the cruise in mind for sure. Definitely gonna wear this. Then we have really cool sliders. Okay, these are orange, pink, and they're fluffy. And I just love them. Moving on to H&M. Okay, so I got this really loose wide dress, which I think is perfect like as a beach cover up or something like that. There was a huge online sale, so I bought a lot of this stuff on sale. So I will put the prices here so you guys can see. But love this one. Then we have this, which is like a sweatshirt kind of top, but it's just so soft on the inside. So it has like this really soft, cozy fabric on the inside. And it would be perfect on an airplane or in like Bombay winter. It's perfect for that. And it has this really nice that, you know, that pulling cord detail. So you can actually tighten it here, which makes it quite cool and fun. So the last thing I bought from H&M is this, which is like a cool pleated black top. And there are pleated shorts. How cool is that? So these are again separates, but I bought it as a set because I thought it would be really cool to wear it together. Also on the side, the model was wearing it together and looked really cool. And I don't have any shorts like this. Like, looks like a skirt, but they are actually shorts. So yeah, got this. Okay, I do not know when and where I am going to wear this, but it is neon orange and I bought it from H&M. Webber said it made me look like a watchman. I love orange, you guys know that. If you haven't watched the vlog where I bought this, check it out here. And yeah, I just love neon orange and I do not know where I'm going to wear this. So somebody please invite me to a winter destination for a holiday just so I can wear this. The neon obsession continues. So I also bought like neon bike shorts because you can never have enough bike shorts. Okay, now the last two things are going to be slightly different. You guys remember Aarohana, the NGO that makes stuff from recycled plastic. So this is a backpack made from plastic. Like these are actual little plastic bags weaved together. Love their stuff. They actually had an exhibition here at the Prince of Wales Museum, which like was a weavers exhibition. So I don't really know if you guys can get the other stuff I got because the exhibition is over. This of course they have a site which I will link below. But yeah, they do really cool stuff. Check them out. Got this. And last but not the least, okay, I bought jewelry from Afghanistan. These guys were at the exhibition as well. They come down every year, especially for this exhibition. Now, we see a lot of these kind of necklaces online, like vintage Rajasthani stuff, Afghan jewelry, but they are so expensive. Like, how much do you think this would be? Comment below before you know the price. This, along with all these other pieces that you are seeing, I bought all of this for 4,000 rupees, guys. And I remember seeing a lot of these kind of necklaces online, like they were 6,000, 7,000 for just like one of these. I got all of that for 4,000 rupees. How cool is this?
Exotique, pas logique, érotique, fantastique, une passion physique.
So guys, that was my haul. Comment below with your favorite items from the haul. I think mine are definitely like the jewelry bits and the pink suit. Love those. Check out my last video here if you haven't. Subscribe here and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.